You can create PERT charts in Visual Paradigm Online OpenDocs, and the steps vary depending on whether you need a reusable chart or a single-page version. To build a reusable PERT chart, click the plus icon beside a node and select New Component Page. This creates a standalone diagram item under that node. When prompted for the diagram type, choose PERT Chart. The editor will open with an empty canvas where you can outline tasks, durations, and dependencies. You can construct the chart manually by adding activities and connecting them to show the sequence of work. If you prefer a quick starting point, you can use Create with AI to generate an initial layout. Keep in mind that generating with AI will replace anything currently on the canvas. After the draft is created, you can reorganize the tasks, refine the dependencies, and adjust the layout until it reflects your project plan. When everything looks right, click Save. Then use the back arrow button to return to your page. Your PERT chart is now stored as a reusable asset that you can insert wherever you need it. To place it on a page, open the page in Edit mode, choose Insert, select Diagram and pick Import Existing. Select your PERT chart, and it will be added immediately. If the chart only needs to appear on one page, you can create it directly inside that page. While editing a page, click Insert, choose Diagrams, and select PERT Chart. The editor opens the same way, and you can build the chart manually or let AI generate a starting structure. You can always adjust the AI-generated diagram to match your project plan. Once you're done, save your work, close the editor, and the chart will appear on the page.